Going to be a quick lab today that I want to share with you. Here we are. It's very cold today. It's 5 degrees. At the garden section, we've already gotten our fruit trees in. However, if you notice, we're leaving the snow on. Why? The snow helps to insulate the roots of the tree and keeps them about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than it would be outside if we just took the snow off. Hi, my name is Heidi and I own the store TPT, the Lesson Pony. Today I'm going to show you a very fast, quick lab, but the students will get a whole bunch of information from it. As you can see, we had a major snowstorm yesterday. Take your students outside. Take their cell phones with them, take thermometers and a yardstick. Have them know what temperature their phone says on their data sheet. The next thing you're going to do is have them read the thermometer. Make sure they read it both in Fahrenheit and in Celsius. Get the air temperature. If you'd like, you can get the temperature in the sunlight and in the shade. The next thing you're going to do is take the yardstick. Measure how deep in the snow you're going to go. Have the students log it both in inches and in centimeters on their data sheet. Take your thermometer and put it at the whatever depth you have located on your yardstick. Put the thermometer in and note the temperature. They will see that deeper in the snow it goes, the warmer it goes. The reason for this is snow helps to insulate the ground. You'll be surprised at how many students are surprised at the difference between what it is in the air and at what it is in the snow. If you'd like the complete write-up, it's on my store, TPT, the Lesson Pony. This is a fast lab. It doesn't require much as far as materials go, but there's a whole lot of knowledge involved here. Thank you and stay safe. And please, if you have any questions, just let me know. Or if there's any labs or anything I can ever help you with, please type up a question. I'll be happy to answer to you. And thank you again for viewing.